Golf 37, contact tower.
Kirby 21, turn right, Golf 3, contact ground point 7.
Tower Southwest 2937 on the visual, runway 29.
Southwest 2937, level tower, runway 29, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 29, Southwest 2937.
2937, read final first speed traffic in position.
Paragraph Southwest 2937.
5772 heavy, level tower, runway 29, line of point, traffic on a 5 mile final, be ready to go.
Line of point, ATC is 5772 heavy, we'll be ready.
01, Demon Tap departure. Departure frequency 132.07, squawk 40, 630, false release.
Kirby 23 without delay, turn right, that's right at make that Golf 3, contact ground point 7. Contact ground point 7.
Citation Deer Trade Tower, squawk 4064. Deer Trade Tower, reback right, advising you're ready for departure, no runway. Chancellor
23, I need you off the runway, sir.
maintain 3000, traffic over Cockcross, 3 miles northbound, 1800, indicate type attention to might be a Skyhawk.
Okay, looking for the traffic down to 3000, when you can use it.
For uniform officer, clear beach first, 224.
GPS.
Visual, Center Hello, Cream City, or sorry.
Barnett, Wisconsin.
Clear immediate takeoff for an Wisconsin GPS 5772.
Cream City 897 will approach to left center 2984, descend across Boston at 1000.
84, Boston 11000, Cream City 897.
And Shuttle 4004, we're still looking at a 5-9 time. Air Shuttle 4004, runway 29er, taxi via Hotel November Golf, cross runway 35 right.
Southwest 2937, go around, turn right, heading of 310, climb, maintain 3000.
On the go around right 310, 3000, Southwest 2937.
So 491, low first.
Tower, low Pima 5895, visual 29.
Pima 5895, level tower, runway 29, clear to land.
29, clear to land, Pima 5895. Ground ETS 2054 heavy, Station Hotel, we're on ramp 2 approaching Delta, taxi.
Pima 5895, traffic in position.
5895.